Bubble Bip, with our new best friend. Bubble Bip, everything will be more fun. Bubble Bip, Bubble Bip.
Hiccups.
Ow! Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Monk. Beep, beep, beep.
Hey, Bip! What are you doing?
Beep, beep, beep. Monk. Beep, 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 beep.
Don't tell me those stories, Bip. I'm not interested. Oh, you're such a sweet bird, Pew. We make a perfect match. Don't go near Bip. He's got no compassion for anyone. He's got no heart or feelings or anything else that nice people have. Nell! What are you doing that for? You frightened Pew.
Well, Mia has hiccups, and I've got a super idea to help her get rid of them. I'm making her jump.
Do you think it worked?
Of course it did. There's no problem so big that Ultranel can't handle. Aww.
Well, what do you know?
Beep.
Hey, what's up, Bip? What are you doing to Pew?
Beep, 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 beep. Duck, 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 duck. Beep, 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 beep. Ow! Beep, beep, beep.
Calm down, Bip. We all know Pew likes pulling pranks. Look, Bip, just let him go.
Beep.
Another life is saved thanks to Ultranel!
You're so ridiculous. You're hopping like a frog. Do you want to know something? You're both horrible friends.
Beep. Beep. Beep.
Bip! Why can't you? I mean, leave Pew alone. Let him go.
Beep.
It's okay. Calm down. I'll keep you safe with me.
What happened, Mia? Did someone hurt you? Did you activate the Ultranel signal?
What happened? What happened? It was Bip. He just ate Pew. Why did you do it, Bip? What for? Mia, the shock made your hiccups go away. And even better, you're no longer the center of attention. One moment. Hello, hello. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2. Figaro, Figaro! You were right. My hiccups are gone. Yeah! Hey, Bip, hold on! You'd better let Pew out immediately! Come on, let him go!